Senior State Advocate Luthuli Dunya's opening statement before the KZN High Court in Pietermaritzburg into the death of anti-apartheid activist Chief Albert Luthuli suggests that new evidence will contest the initial September 1967 inquest finding that there was no evidence which disclosed any criminal culpability on the part of any of the employees of South African Railways or anyone else. This after official reports suggested that Luthuli was struck by a goods train.
Evidence shall be placed before your ladyship, which will expose collusion between the security police, district surgeons, pathologists, prosecutors, and magistrates, including the magistrate that presided over the initial inquest on the 21st of September 1967.
The scores of witnesses to testify in this fact-finding inquiry will include a qualified steam locomotive driver, as well as a forensic artist and analyst, to name a few. However, first up is Captain Frank Khamanyane, a member of the South African Police Services, who was able to trace the inquest record of 1967 and its annexures. Khamanyane testified about information that could not be traced, such as Luthuli's images.
I also attempted to trace any photographs relating to the late Chief Albert Luthuli, as none were reflected as being part of the inquest record. I was looking specifically for the crime scene or post-mortem photographs without any success. It means there were no photographs of the post-mortem was attached to this.
Khamanyane further told the court that the injuries, as described in the notes of the post-mortem report, are not consistent with that of a person hit by a train.
From the post-mortem report that we received, there is Exhibit C. Most of the injuries were the head injuries. So it was not consistent with a person who can be struck by a train. That's why we were looking for an expert regarding the simulation to check the possibilities of the injuries together with the accident.
An inquest is a judicial inquiry which is held with the objective of determining a cause of death when a death is believed to be not from natural causes or questions are raised about the circumstances. The inquest continues. Canny Maphanga, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.